How to know what kind of partner you truly need. 5 simple steps. Let's dive into a process that can help you identify the type of partner you truly need. The reason this is so important is because it helps protect you from heartache down the line. That's the core reason for this exercise. To begin, reflect on both the positive and negative traits of the key figures who shaped your childhood. This could be anyone from a parent to a teacher or a close friend. What you want to do is jot down the most impactful feelings, whether positive or negative, that you associate with each of these individuals. Create a separate list for each person. Once you have these lists, select the top 5 traits from either the positive or negative lists. These will form your top 5 dealmaker list. The purpose of this exercise is to equip your brain with an automatic radar for potential red flags when you meet new people. Conversely, if you encounter someone who doesn't trigger any red flags, your brain will also recognize that they possess your top 5 traits, signaling that they might be worth getting to know better. For instance, in my own life, my father was a significant influence. He was incredibly affectionate and genuine, never worrying about what others thought of him. These are qualities I find very appealing in a partner. However, my father also had health issues and passed away when I was just 12 years old. This experience has led me to prioritize being with someone who appears to be in good health, even though life is unpredictable and anyone can face unforeseen circumstances. So, I'd love to hear from you. What is a dealmaker or a deal breaker that you know you absolutely cannot compromise on in a relationship? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to be among the first to see my new videos, hit the subscribe button. You can also join me on Facebook Live, and there's a link below the video where you can find my Wake Up tool. This tool provides a daily guide for 4 weeks to help you transform your love life.